Hello, welcome to your English online learning journey. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this course is designed to help you master English at your own pace. Through interactive lessons, practical exercises, you will build confidence in speaking, writing, and understanding English. Join us as we explore the language together and open up new opportunities in your personal and professional life. Let's get started.
Hi everybody, welcome to Learn English with Frankelito. In this video, we're going to talk about adjectives. Now, we use adjectives to describe nouns or things. Okay? We can describe their size, their color, their shape, or other things like that. So let's take a look at some nouns. The first noun we're going to use is pen. It's a pen. Now I want to use an adjective to describe the color. I'm going to say it's a black pen. So black is the adjective. Now notice I have to put the adjective after the article. Pen. Now I can use another adjective to describe its size. It's a long pen. Okay, let's try the next one. Here we have a bird. So it's a bird. Now I want to use another adjective to describe the color. So I'm going to say it's a blue bird. Again, you have to put the adjective after the article before the noun. Now I can also describe its size. It's a small bird. Now small is another adjective. Let's try another one. Now I have some apples. Okay, let's say I have 3 apples. Remember, when we have more than one noun, it's called a plural noun. So we have to say their apples with an S. Their apples. Now I want to use the adjective red to describe the color of these apples. So I'm going to say they're red apples. Now I have to put the adjective before the noun that is describing the apples. Okay, in this lesson we learn about adjectives. I hope you guys understand, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.